Water, the lifeblood of our planet, a substance so familiar yet so awe-inspiring in its power and importance. From the smallest microorganism to the largest whale, all life depends on this precious resource. It's a fundamental truth as constant as the rising sun. Across the globe, water weaves a tapestry of diverse ecosystems. It carves out landscapes, sustains a rich biodiversity, and shapes the very fabric of our planet. Its journey, a continuous cycle of evaporation, precipitation and flow, is a story billions of years in the making. Imagine a world without the music of a flowing river, the crash of ocean waves, the pitter-patter of rain. A world devoid of the life-giving properties of water is unimaginable, a stark reminder of its irreplaceable role. Water is more than just a substance, it's a force of nature, a symbol of life, and a precious resource we must cherish and protect for generations to come. Let us explore its journey and understand its profound impact on our planet. Our journey begins high in the mountains. Here, amidst the towering peaks, snow and ice reign supreme. Glaciers, vast rivers of ice, carve their way through valleys, shaping the landscape over millennia. These frozen reservoirs hold within them the promise of life for distant lands. As temperatures rise, the ice melts, giving birth to countless streams and rivulets. These crystal-clear waters cascade down mountainsides, their melody echoing through the valleys. They carry with them life-giving minerals and nutrients, enriching the soils below. The journey from mountain peak to valley floor is a testament to water's transformative power. It's a journey of constant change, of carving and shaping, of nurturing and sustaining. Water in its purest form begins its descent, ready to breathe life into the world. Down through forests these streams grow, merging with others, gaining strength and momentum. They become rivers, the arteries of our planet, carrying life-giving water to distant lands. Rivers, the lifeblood of our planet, snake their way across continents. They connect mountains to oceans, carrying with them the essence of life. Along their banks, a rich tapestry of ecosystems thrives, sustained by the river's flow. Forests flourish, their roots drawing sustenance from the river's edge. Animals, large and small, gather to drink, to hunt, and to raise their young. The river provides, nourishes, and shapes the lives of countless creatures. As the river flows, it carves and shapes the very landscape it traverses. Over time, it creates canyons, valleys, and floodplains, each supporting a unique and vibrant ecosystem. The river is a sculptor, an artist, constantly reshaping the canvas of the earth. The journey of a river is a testament to the power of water and its interconnectedness with all life. It's a journey of constant change, of adaptation, and of resilience. Rivers remind us that life finds a way even in the face of adversity. As the river nears the end of its journey, it slows its pace. The landscape flattens, and the river begins to spread out, forming a delta. This fertile land where river meets sea is a hive of activity teeming with life. Nutrient-rich sediments carried from distant mountains are deposited here, creating a rich breeding ground for plant and animal life. Mangrove forests with their tangled roots provide shelter for a myriad of species. Birds wade in the shallows, their calls filling the air. Fish dart through the water, their scales shimmering in the sunlight. The delta is a vibrant tapestry of life, a testament to the life-giving power of water. This delicate ecosystem, a meeting point of fresh water and salt water, is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. It's a place of constant change, of ebb and flow, where life finds a way to thrive in the balance. Section 5. Oceans, Cradles of Life. Finally, the river reaches its ultimate destination, the ocean. This vast expanse of water, covering over 70% of our planet's surface, is the cradle of life on Earth. It's a realm of mystery and wonder, teeming with an astonishing diversity of life. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean supports a web of life that is as complex as it is awe-inspiring. Coral reefs, bustling underwater cities, provide shelter for a kaleidoscope of marine creatures. The ocean plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. It's a crucial part of Earth's life support system. Yet even as we marvel at the ocean's immensity and its bounty, we must also acknowledge its fragility. The impact of human activities, from pollution to overfishing, is taking a toll on this precious ecosystem. Section 6. Water's cultural tapestry. Water's influence extends far beyond the natural world. It has shaped human civilizations, inspired art and literature, and played a central role in countless cultural and religious traditions. It's a universal symbol of life, purity, and renewal. For centuries, rivers have served as arteries of trade, connecting distant communities and fostering cultural exchange. Cities have sprung up along their banks, their histories intertwined with the ebb and flow of the water. From the ancient Egyptians who revered the Nile to the indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with water for millennia, cultures around the world have recognized the sacredness of this precious resource. Their stories and traditions serve as a reminder of our deep connection to water. Water's influence can be seen in art, music, and literature, where it's often used as a metaphor for life, change, and the interconnectedness of all things. It's a source of inspiration and contemplation, reminding us of the beauty and power of the natural world. As our global population continues to grow, so too does our demand for fresh water. Agriculture, industry, and domestic use all place increasing pressure on this finite resource. Meeting the needs of a thirsty planet is one of the greatest challenges of our time. The unequal distribution of freshwater resources further exacerbates the issue. While some regions enjoy an abundance of water, others face chronic shortages, leading to conflict and displacement. Access to clean, safe drinking water is a fundamental human right that should be guaranteed to all. Climate change is already impacting water availability, altering precipitation patterns and increasing the frequency and intensity of droughts and floods. These changes threaten food security, human health, and the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. Addressing the global water crisis requires a multifaceted approach. We need to improve water management practices, reduce waste, and invest in innovative technologies that can help us conserve and sustainably manage this precious resource. Sadly, the story of water is not always one of harmony and balance. Human activities are increasingly polluting our rivers, lakes, and oceans, threatening the delicate web of life that depends on them. It's a sobering reminder of our impact on the planet. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic pollution are just some of the threats facing our water bodies. These pollutants contaminate drinking water sources, harm wildlife, and disrupt the delicate balance of aquatic ecosystems. Overfishing is another major concern, depleting fish populations and threatening the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Destructive fishing practices such as bottom trawling damage sensitive habitats and further exacerbate the problem. Climate change is adding to the stress on our water bodies. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities and ecosystems. Changes in precipitation patterns increase the risk of both droughts and floods, impacting agriculture and water availability. The future of our planet is inextricably linked to the future of our water. The choices we make today will determine whether future generations inherit a world where water is a source of life or a source of conflict. The time to act is now. We must transition to a more sustainable future, one where water is respected, valued, and protected. This requires a fundamental shift in our thinking, away from a mindset of exploitation and towards one of stewardship. Investing in water-efficient technologies, promoting sustainable agricultural practices, and reducing our reliance on single-use plastics are just some of the steps we can take to protect our water resources. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Education is key. We need to raise awareness about the importance of water conservation and empower individuals to make informed choices about their water footprint. Together, we can create a ripple effect of change. The journey of water is a journey that connects us all. It's a journey that reminds us of our interdependence with nature and our responsibility to protect the planet we call home. The future of water is in our hands. Let us be inspired by the power and beauty of water, by its ability to sustain life and shape landscapes. Let us honour its significance in our own lives and in the cultures of the world. Let us pledge to be responsible stewards of this precious resource. Let us conserve water in our homes, support policies that protect our waterways, and advocate for a future where clean, safe water is a right, not a privilege. The time to act is now. Let us ensure that future generations inherit a world where water continues to flow freely, sustaining life and inspiring wonder for generations to come.